Hey guys, welcome to the video. This is my honest review of Native M tool. It's not review, it's my experience actually. I got impressed with the marketing, the paid promotions and the YouTube videos that has been made on this product. So I ordered this product on the Urban Company app, and after ordering I got this product at least 10 to 12 days after ordering. So the delivery is not quick, okay, first of all, but I got it delivered yesterday, and today morning the installation guy came. So the installation is quick because Urban Company is a installation company. I mean, it is a not a electronic company, it is a company that is, you know, for your home appliances. They have their agents to come at home, right, cleaning and everything. So here is the product, and I tell you, I am super unhappy with this product. Okay, so everywhere I have not get any negative review of this product till yet on internet, because now I understand that why there is no negative review, because nobody has installed it. Only some paid reviewers, they reviewed it on the table. Okay, so what has been claimed by the company, they just read those things. Whatever filter, 2 years, you don't need to replace anything. But what is the hand-on experience, I will show you. So first of all, I didn't like the plastic quality. This plastic looks very cheap. Okay, you see, you hear the sound. It looks very cheap quality. This is not a product of 18,000 if you are selling, and if you are giving this kind of plastic. So I believe they are doing some third-party manufacturing with some third-party manufacturing. And you see the installation also, only two hinges over here. It is here, and there is nothing at the bottom, so it is hanging like this. So when it was empty, it was, you know, not very tight, but right now it is okay. And it has this thing, right, electronic sensors for water dispensing. Okay, I understand. I will explain you the problem with this. They have given an extra pre-filter, which is somewhat good, somewhat I don't see very much use, because see, the thing is, all the other things, okay, this product they are providing on their product image, it is not there. So this is an extra product they are providing you, that is okay. But look at the look. I mean, I don't like this kind of thing, this messy thing. Okay, it should be inbuilt. But if it is not, but whoever did the review, they don't show you this part. They will show you only this product. Okay, so this part is, they are giving it free or maybe with this price, but whoever reviewed, they don't know about it, or they don't want to show this thing, maybe, I don't know. And this is the charger, and it has been, now it is warm. Okay, it for only 1 hour or 2 hours it is running, so it has been warm. So this is the charger over here. I don't like the charger quality also, because it looks like not very good quality. So I don't know how long it will go. And a standard product should be like this, everything should be inside, only the plug should be there. But anyway, you are converting AC to DC over here, that is okay, you are getting the DC. Now this is the exhaust pipe, right? This is the exhaust pipe they have set. Anyway, I have nothing much to tell about it. So overall, the look and the size of this product I didn't like. The plastic I didn't like. Okay, and my machine has a problem. It is drop by drop water is, you know, falling down. So you see, this area is always wet, because when the machine is off and in idle position, then also water is coming down. You can see the video when at the time of installation I recorded this is actual installation. Now another problem, what they are, you know, not mentioning, another problem they are not mentioning, I will show you. They are telling it that this is a smart water purifier. So what is the smartest thing of this? The smart is, you put a bottle over here, and you press the bottle sign. Okay, now water will drop. Just wait and see. So this is the standard quality. They are saying that this is 750 ml and this much area is empty. Now you tell me this is a standard 1 liter bottle. Whenever in India, every household you have only 1 liter bottle, so every bottle is half filled and half empty. So what is the choice? What is the point of this user convenient button? Now they are telling me, okay, so you have this unlimited dispenser, you can press it, start it again, and you can fill the rest of the bottle. So if I am to press it and rest of the bottle, if you have to make double press, then what is the use of your preset quantity, the preset quantity of standard 1 liter one bottle? So one bottle, it is not being fully, it is not at least 1 liter, it is 750. So I spoke to them, so they said that no, we are providing 750 ml. No, 750 ml, if my bottle size is 1 liter, so every time if I put this much of empty, what is the use of it? So I asked them, so what is your point? What do you want to prove? Why is there not the standard 1 liter or 500 ml or 750 ml? It is not there. And I'll show you the useless thing, the mindless thing. See, this much is always, you have to fill like this, and if you have to fill the rest of the amount, then you have to press twice. So this is not user convenient, and nobody spoke about it, because everything I saw, I found is paid promotion only. Now I'll show you the app. Okay, so this is the native app, you can see, okay, on the Urban Company app inside. This is the native, and they are calling it IoT. IoT means Internet of Things. So what is the special IoT about it? There is only a chip, which is chip I connected with my home Wi-Fi, and you can see the status of your filter health. This is the IoT they are providing. So you have pre-filter, which is green 99% sediment filter, pre-carbon filter, RO membrane, 4-in water health. So you can just see the status. There is no IoT, there is no Internet of Things. IoT means you can control it through your phone. You cannot control. And see, this is the water droplet that is coming down. See the water. Okay, and it will drop by drop, it will wet my entire kitchen. So this is the problem of this device. I'll tell you later. Now this is the IoT, which is not exactly IoT. This is just to make people a buzz that you can see the status. So 99%, if my filter, let's say my status is pre-filter 99%. So if it comes 60, 50, 40, whatever. So let's say I can see this, but why are they telling it as IoT? IoT, I'll show you what is IoT. IoT is, I have, let's say, Cubo app. Okay, I have Cubo, and with this Cubo I can control my home from anywhere. That is called IoT. I'll show you. I have this smart plug. Okay, now this smart plug I connected with this device. So let's say if I put this smart plug off, see the indication, that means now the connection is off. So I can control it through my phone, but no credit to this native. This credit goes to this Cubo plug. This is a smart plug that is called actually an IoT. This is not an IoT, this is just making people fool. Okay, now you put it on, and now it is on. Okay, so I can control it through my Cubo device, not by the native app. Now I'll show you what is IoT. This is my Agaro room cleaner. Okay, and I have this special app for this. So let's say I start my cleaning. If I am not at home, I switch my Wi-Fi off. Okay, so I am not in the Wi-Fi connection. Let's say I am outside, 50 km outside my home, and I start from anywhere and my device starts moving. See, it starts working. This is called IoT. Checking the status is not IoT. So this is how this native, I think this native is making, you know, a buzz, marketing buzz. There is nothing IoT about it, only an app where you can see the status. And this water droplets is falling drop by drop. So this is a faulty product they have provided me. So I asked them, I don't want your product. So they said, okay, no, first what happened, first they said there is a device inside which is faulty, they will replace the device. So I said, why? I bought a new product, why shall I accept that you you know, change the device inside? I don't want this. So then they said that, okay, we'll replace the entire thing, a new product will deliver you. I said, okay, but I don't like your product, I don't want to use it. If it is better, if you can give me refund. And I threatened them. I said, I will make a video, honest review video, I'll show you everything what you are actually selling. So then they said, no, okay, we will give you a full refund, you will get your money back. So now this much happened. I don't know when will I get my money back and how will I get my money back. Now at 3 p.m. Today they installed in the morning. Now 3 p.m. another guy will come to you know, deinstall it, uninstall it and pack it again. I said, okay, take it with home. So see, this is the quality. If I put 1 liter or 2 liter bottles over here, I fear this can break. This plastic can break. Okay, you have to put something metal over here so that it can support. So this much, this is the thing. So I don't think Native or whatever urban company is a you know, recommended electronic company. I think they have manufactured whatever they did. It's up to them whether you want to buy it or not, that is up to you. But I do not like this product. After buying, after seeing so much of positive review, positive YouTube feedback, everything, nobody installed it at their home, only they put it on their table. All are professional YouTubers, they know how to, you know, get money from companies, but nobody is paying me. I made this, I purchased this for my own use, and I am super unhappy with this product. And what is the filter that they are talking about, this cleanliness, everything? See, everybody, every other company will give you clean water only. Their job is to give you clean water only, and I don't know how much clean they are providing. That is you to research. I do not like the aesthetics, I don't like the plastic, I do not like this this hegemony. Okay, this is the thing, they didn't think about it. So ideally what should be an IoT? An IoT should be, if I can change the water quality, bottle quantity, let's say 1 liter, 500 ml, 700 ml. So as per the size of my bottle, I can feel how much I can know how much I want to fill. So, and I can control it through my mobile app from anywhere I can switch it on, I can switch it off, or I can, you know, set the preset quantity. That should be an IoT. Only for the delivery, installation, they are expert in installing things, but I don't like this product. Whether you buy it or not, it is up to your choice. This is my honest review. I am stopping here. Thank you so much. Bye bye.